powers to powers. Seriously, we're going to have exponents on top of exponents. Just when you think it can't get any more complicated, it does. We're going up a level. Let me show you how this works. Take x to the 5th power, raise that to the 3rd power, x to the 5th times itself 3 times. Well, x to the 5th is actually 5x's multiplied times itself. So 5x's, 5x's, 5x's. How many x's would there be? There would be 15, and this would be x raised to the 15th power. So somebody did that once and went, hey, there's got to be an easier way to do this. Look, you can just multiply them. So when you are raising a power to a power, you multiply. Here we have x to the 7th raised to the -2 power. Well, if you just multiply those together, you're going to end up with x to the -14. If you saw my video on what happens with negative exponents, if you haven't, I'll just link it up here in the corner. But that's going to be rewritten as 1 over x to the +14. Now for this one, pay close attention to what has exponents and what doesn't. B to the -8th in parentheses is obvious, but only that one is being raised to the -3rd power. I'm going to simplify this. That b in the front, you can think of it as just having an exponent of 1 because anything raised to the power of 1 is just itself. For the second b, you need to multiply the exponents, -8 times -3. So we get b to the 1st times b to the +24th, because when you multiply two negatives, that's a positive. Great. Things being positive makes our life easier here. Now you are multiplying two things that have the same base. If you have 1 and 24 more, that means you have 25. This is b to the 25th. This entire quantity, x to the 4th, y to the 6th, is being raised to the 1/2 power. That can be kind of complicated in most problems, but for this one, it's pretty sweet because both of those exponents inside the parentheses are even numbers. This is going to work out really nicely. You end up with x to the 4th times 1/2, y to the 6th times 1/2, and that turns out to be 4 times 1/2 is 2, and y to the 3rd power. Okay, try this one and see what you get. Drop your answer down in the comments. I'll reply back and tell you if you got it or not. To check out that video on negative exponents, here it is. Just go ahead and click into that one. And if you would like other videos about exponents, here's a playlist. Go ahead and click into that right now.